Hi guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll show you how to cook the perfect rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So here I have my pot that I'm going to prepare my rice in. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add some water. Then I will go in and add the butter. I will also go in and add a piece of my scallion. If you have thyme, you can always go ahead and add your thyme. I will also add some pimento berries. Of course, I'm going to add my salt, and then I went ahead and just wash my rice, and I'm using white rice today. You can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using today. So once I add all of that, I will go in and add my rice. I have my stove on medium heat. Once my rice starts to boil and most of the water is boiled out, I will turn it down on low heat and just allow that to just cook nicely, shelly and nice. So once it's finished cooking, I will show you guys what it looks like. And remember to combine all of that goodness together well. And basically this is it. My rice is all cooked, really perfect and nice, shelly. So you guys can always go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about this amazing recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. You can always go ahead and have this with some curry chicken, with some stewed chicken, whatever you have at home. You can always go ahead and pair it with it, and your family will love it. If you have a party, if you're having anything at home, you can always go ahead and prepare white rice. Bye guys.